When you make a playlist, you select what's in it, when it will play, and where it will play. This video is going to go into further detail about how you can schedule when a playlist plays. So you select a playlist, click Edit, go to the calendar. At the moment, it is selected to always play, so when it's scheduled to a player, it will always play. However, if you turn this off, you can add a schedule. You can select the date that the schedule will take effect, so we select Monday next week, confirm, and then if we select in 2 months, confirm. You can then choose which color the schedule, the playlist will appear as when you check it in the calendar format. This helps to distinguish between your playlists. So, as you can see, it says on every day it's scheduled to play all day. However, if you don't want it to play all day on Thursday and Friday, or Saturday and Sunday, you press the plus, select Thursday and Friday, select time, start time, confirm. And then click the plus again, select Saturday and Sunday, select off all day, confirm. This allows you to be more specific to the dates and times that your playlist will play. So as you can see, it allows you to be very specific about when your playlist is scheduled, which is great when you have varied opening hours. So thanks for watching the video, and make sure you watch the rest of our videos.